Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a Badlands trim with the Sasquatch package and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. Coming with the Sasquatch package, which gives you 35-inch tires sitting on some beadlock rims, some wider flares, of course. You've got the highly modular steel bumper up front. You've got rock sliders down below, four-door configuration, soft top, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have pretty decent space that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, and underneath this cover you have your jack, as well as some spare room for other cargo or equipment. Then looking into the back, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders, full leather and vinyl interior. Down here in the middle you have a USB, USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and window controls. And the backs of the seats have MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto, as well as having these mesh pouches. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, off-road information, pretty important for a vehicle like this, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls kind of spread out. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general vehicle features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your vehicle. Above that, you have some of your 4x4 controls, such as your sway bar disconnect, your front and rear locking differentials, and trail turn assist, which allows you to make some tighter turns on tighter trails, traction control shutoff, hazards, and up here you have the mounting point for your accessory rails, so if you want to have like a GoPro or something up here. And moving down, you have your media controls with your camera view, again, forward-facing camera. Auto start stop shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and then you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Down below you have this tray area with a USB and USB-C. Then you have one of your grab handles here, as well as having one on either side of the dash so you can hold on tight. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side so you can manually shift through your gears. 2 cup holders, your 4x4 controls, so you have 4 high, low, and auto, as well as trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain. And then you have your GOAT mode selectors, so you have normal, eco, slippery, mud ruts, sand, Baja, and rock crawl mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then moving on from that, you have of course your window and mirror controls, because the doors are removable, so you still want to have access to the controls because your mirrors do stay on the vehicle when the doors are off. And you have your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, plenty of room inside, and a 12-volt power outlet. And then, I believe last but not least, you have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up to whatever you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.